I've promised to make this video for a long time now, so I'll be skipping my promises. So today I'm going to sit down and get this done once and for all. Okay, now let's start with Binance. Now it is very important that you have a Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, I will send a link to the group. Go and download it and install it. The reason why you need a Binance account right now is because it will enable you to be able to trade perfectly on your Trust Wallet. The kind of money you will make on Trust Wallet app using pre-sale is unimaginable. In Binance, you can make money. Yeah, you buy coins that are already been listed. But in Trust Wallet app, the places they will go and hunt for pre-sale, even though it's risky, but it's absolutely rewarding. Just now, my friend came here now. I bought a coin just not more than 2 minutes ago. Presently now, the coin is about, let me check. I bought the coin with about 0.7 BNB. 0.7 BNB. Presently now, the coin is about 0.9 BNB. Indirectly, we have made over $200 on that coin. Now, what I'm trying to explain is that these coins, the one I bought just now, is a pre-sale. So they can actually make you lots of money if you follow this process, but you need to buy. So buying is what I'm going to be showing you right now. So when you come to your Binance account, if you have already verified it and everything, because you need to verify before sending money. If you have verified it, it's very easy to verify. They will ask you of your name, your phone number. They will ask you of your name, your phone number, and voice verification that will show you actions to take. And once you do them correctly, they verify your account. And I think they will have your ask of your BVN as well. Okay, so if you come to, this is the first place you are going to land. You're going to land here. We have who, market, trade, futures, wallet. In anything you're going to do for now, if you are a newbie, never go to futures if you don't want to lose all the money you have. But when we come to trade is where we are going to be doing most of our trading. That's where you buy coin. Any coin you want to buy, if you have done your research and know the coin that will pump, or rather will go up, you can buy from there. Then I'll be showing you simple steps. Let's leave buying for now. Let's go to how you can fund your account. Now, the first thing, if you come to home, you can see P2P trading. You can see P2P trading. I'm taking it up here. This is P2P trading here. You can click here, or you can come to wallets. When you come to wallet, look at the other side, hand side. You will see P2P there. Click on it. If you have not activated your account, you won't be able to do this. So your account must be activated. So click on. You will see transfer. You see P2P trading. If you are to buy, I'm going to buy like 1,000 naira now, just to show you how easy it is. Then click P2P trading. Once you click P2P trading, now look at this side here. You will see Danuski. Come down. God is with me. System dollar pool 001 and rest. These are guys who have coin to sell. What they will do is that you give them Nigerian naira, they send you coin. You can buy USDT, you can buy BTC, you can buy BUSD, you can buy BNB. Any coin you want to buy that falls into this line, you can just click on it. You see a seller selling it. So let's assume you want to buy USDT, which I would advise you to always be buying. You can convert it later in your wallet. But unfortunately, you can't trade less than $10 or convert less than $10. So you should also always be aiming for like $10. $10 is about 5,000 naira now. Okay. All right. I'll buy 1,000 naira. So to show you how easy it is to buy P2P. I actually don't need the coin, but I just wanted to buy it to show you. Okay. Now Danuski is selling price is 496.75. That's the selling price. Now, I think you are finished selling. God with me 610. Selling price is 496.80, and he's going to be selling. If you see the limit here, if you come down, you see limit where it says 700,000 to 702,000, meaning he's not selling anything less than that. So we are going to be looking for somebody who's going to be selling exactly what we are looking for, the amount we are looking for. So I'm going down to 1,000 naira. 496. This 50,000. This is 1,000,694,291. Now, as I'm looking for this guy, I'm also going to be looking at the percentage of successful trade he has. Most of these guys have 100%. If you look at it from up down, you will see 100% downwards. So don't buy from anybody that's below 50%, please. All right, 1,000 is going to be 500, 100,000. Coming 1,000. Now this guy, if you look at this guy, marvelous dude. I just scroll him up. He's the one at the top now. Maverick dude. He's selling 499 and he's going to sell from 5,000 to 80,000. You see, as I told you, Binance only takes you cannot change anything. You cannot trade less than $10. So take note. If you buy, don't buy 1,000 except if you already have money inside. All right, not to waste time, let me buy 2,000. I've seen a guy here. His name is Barry. He's the one at the top of the page now. Barry. He's selling 499.15 and he's going to be selling from 5,000. No, not this guy. Hey B. He's going to be selling 2,000 to 600,000. So I'm going to be buying from this guy. Where is he? Are you kidding me? Sorry, I think I pressed something wrong. Let me look for him again. 2,000. 2,000. This guy, OSBU, 2,000 to 750. So I will click buy. The buy button in front of it. Now I'm going to type the amount. If you type 1,000, you will see this thing will not highlight. But if you type 2,000, buy USDT. So if it doesn't go, meaning that this guy is not selling what you are trying to buy, you should buy either his limit or above his limit, not above his limit, between his limits. So I will buy 2,000 naira. If I click on buy now, it will take me to the next page. Now, if you look at the button here, this is a message button where you can check. You see, I already have a pop-up message here. Here, you would have said, I'm always online. Okay, I'm about to pay. I can converse with him, I chat with him. I am about to pay. Send. All right, let me quickly go back. Now, click your back button. Then you will see where the root payment method. Click on it. This is the guy's bank account. He has two accounts. No, okay, he has Kuda. When you click on that bank account, click on it again. Then click copy the account number. Copy successfully. Go to your bank and do the transaction. Go to your bank and do the transaction. Where's this video? Sorry. Go to your bank and do the transaction. Let me stop it here. So I will go to my bank. If I log in, then we'll continue from there. All right, so this guy I'm buying from, right? So now, please do not click anything after you have gotten the guy's detail. Just payment method, click on it. Then click on payment method. Click on payment method. When this box comes in, there are two options: cheaper cash, something. Click on the one you want to pay. Then copy. Now go to your bank. You can still do transfer from your phone, but just make sure you screenshot it. The reason why you screenshot is because of evidence. Some people are scammers, so you should know that. Okay, so I'm going to my bank to go and I don't want to type my password myself. I want you to just select so I can pick from it. GT Bank. A minute to. Okay. All right, so I'm going to be doing some transaction here. So I'm going to click transfer, new beneficiary, select a bank. I'm going to type the name of the bank here, Kuda. Unfortunately, if you're trying to send from GTB to Kuda, you will not be able to see it on your USDT. So that's why most time I use this. Okay, to the account I copied. Now, to be very, very sure, you see the name Samson Busayo Ogumo Dede also. Go back and make sure that they are the same thing, okay? How much are we sending? We are sending 2,000 naira. Don't make mistake. If you make mistake, your money is gone, because the guy may say it's just for 2,000 naira. If you send 5,000 naira instead of 2,000 naira, except if he's a good person. If he's not a good person, he will not send you the coin or return it back. Don't type anything on the remarks. Leave it, because anything crypto will block your account, block his account. So don't type anything. Just leave it there like that. So click on continue. We are buying 2,000, right? Click on continue. Close your eyes. I think I will pause this video because I don't. I'm making the payment. I'm making the payment now. I've made the payment successfully. So I'm going to screenshot. Now this screenshot, you can edit it immediately. If you don't edit it, just send it like that. It doesn't still mean. Some people don't want their balance to be seen. So I saved it on my phone. I'm coming back here. The only time you must click transfer next is when you have made the payment. If you have not made it, don't click it, because they will block. They will hold the guy's money, thinking you have clicked it, not knowing you have not. So don't click it too. All right, now I've paid the guy, so I'm going to click transfer next. The moment I click transfer next, I click on this message, that box now where we are chatting. I click on it. You see, you have marked the order as paid. Please wait for the seller to confirm and revert and release the asset. So I'm going to upload the screenshot. The reason why I upload the screenshot is it's not all sellers that are angel. Some of them are crook. So once I send it, this is just a proof to Binance that I paid this guy. So in case the guy wants to misbehave, they will now go and check proof. Because immediately I file a report. If he does not release my coin and I file a report, they will seize his assets. All the money is paying, they've collected. All the money you want to sell, they've collected it. It's in Binance wallet also. Now he cannot sell anything, cannot release until he approve the payment. So in case some of them want to be smart, though I've never ever been scammed here, but then it's still possible. Now the guy has released $4 for me. You can see it has entered. So click done. Now that I have $4 in my account, let's transfer it to where I'll be using it to trade. So click back, then go back to P2P again. You see transfer, you see P2 trading. Now if you look at my balance here, you see $4, right? So I'm going to click transfer, because I need to transfer it from where it is right now. I need to transfer it from where it is right now to where I can use it. Spot. Where I can use it. So when I click transfer, send transfer. I'm not sending. I'm going to click transfer again. See spot wallet, see P2P wallet. You are transferring from P2P wallet to spot wallet. So change it to the denomination you have, which is USDT. Then click max, $4, right? Click transfer, that's all. Then go back to your spot. You will now see that the money is already there. Can you see it? 3.99, $4. I would have taught you how to convert this. I'll still teach you. Let me teach you in case you have more than $10. How to convert. Now to convert, you need to go to as if you want to trade. You need to go to as if you want to trade. Then you go to you click on trade. Let me go back so you can understand. USDT. See it here. I want to convert this to either BNB or BNB to send to my Trust wallet. I click on trade. I click on trade. While I click on trade, you see WRX, because this is the coin I'm actually trading on. I bought it not too long. So but I want to change it to BNB. BNB USDT. Pay close attention here. BNB down, BNB up, BNB USDT. Now if I come to BNB USDT, I'm saying I have $4 here, you can see it. Do you understand? So now I want to convert the $4 I have to BNB. So I'm going to sell it. Do you understand? So I click on 1%. Then I just click on buy BNB. Click on 100% and click on buy BNB immediately. The moment I buy BNB, your total amount must be greater than $10. So it will convert. The moment it converts, excuse me, let me off my TV. Hope you still understand what I'm doing. It will convert. It will automatically convert. Now, once it converts, you can decide to send it to your trust wallet or use to buy a coin here. In this case, I think that's all we need to do here. We have bought the coin from P2P. Your money have left your bank account to Binance account right now. Your money is in your wallet, in your Binance. So the next video I'm going to make will be how to transfer it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to sell one of my coin. They are doing well though, but then I will sell one of my coins so that I can have enough fund to be able to transfer from here to your trust wallet so you can see it. Okay, I think this video will help with the Binance issue. We will talk about trading on Binance as we go along. God bless you. Thank you so much for your time.